Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of CoinMarketCap, the go-to platform for all things cryptocurrency related. You might be wondering, can you transfer funds from your CoinMarketCap account directly to your bank? Well, let's break it down. First things first, CoinMarketCap is an incredible resource for staying up to date with cryptocurrency prices, market trends, and more. But when it comes to transferring funds, there's a bit of a twist. CoinMarketCap is primarily an informational platform, providing insights into various cryptocurrencies, tokens, and their market data. It doesn't directly offer services for transferring funds to your bank account. But hold on, don't lose hope. If you're looking to cash out your crypto gains and send those funds to your bank account, you'll want to work through a cryptocurrency exchange. Here's how it generally works. 1. Sell cryptocurrency. Start by selling your cryptocurrency on a reputable exchange. Most exchanges allow you to trade your crypto for stable coins like USDT or even fiat currencies like USD or EUR. 2. Withdraw to bank account. After the sale, it's time to withdraw those funds to your bank account. This process can vary depending on the exchange you're using, but typically, it goes like this. Log into your exchange account. Navigate to the Withdrawal or Funds Withdrawal section. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, like a bank transfer. Provide your bank account details, including account number, routing number, for US, or IBAN, for international. Confirm the withdrawal and follow any additional instructions from the exchange. 3. Verification and processing time. Now, keep in mind that exchanges often have verification processes to ensure secure transactions. Processing times vary too. Some are lightning fast, while others may take a few business days. 4. Fees and exchange policies. Watch out for withdrawal fees, which can differ based on the exchange and the chosen withdrawal method. It's always smart to review the exchange's policies too, to know what to expect. But, here's the deal, the cryptocurrency landscape is ever-evolving, and regulations can change. It's absolutely crucial to choose well-regarded exchanges with strong security and customer support. Research is your best friend. So, there you have it, while CoinMarketCap is your crypto compass, actual transactions often happen on exchanges. And remember, always refer to the official websites for the latest and most accurate information. Thanks for tuning in, Crypto Explorers. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep those transactions safe.